baon na Maricar. Ayan, ang dami mong angels diyan na Maricar. Mga angels mo 'yan. Laging active mga angels mo. Hello, Isa. The bird is talking to you? Is it talking to you? What they say? Oh. Hello, Shalane. Are you playing Mad Cake? Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. Whoa. Whoa. You want water? Shh. Magic. You want rain? Oo, nag-aalala siya kahit mag-isa. Kausap niya sarili niya. Oo, no need, no? Enjoy na siya kahit siya lang mag-isa. Mix? Mix, mix, mix. Dilana, I'll go get the other phone. Okay, hold on. I'll be back. Ha? Okay. Hold on, I'll be back, okay? Okay, don't touch it. Don't touch it there. Sige. Don't touch that one. Oh, shoot. Wow. Really? What you doing? Yes, you do. Ano ginagawa? Ano ginagawa niya? Kaloka, uy. Talaga. What you doing? Yeah, talk to the bird. What bird? I don't hear you. You wanna play? Nagsusumba siya. Kaloka siya, uy. Ang dami mong angel dyan, Aisa, ha? Nanonood lagi. Ano yung mga angel niyo yan? Iniwan ko lang siya, nagsasayaw na mag-isa. Jilana, can you do the zip line there again? No, the baby zip line. Where's your baby zip line? How come you said yes? Why you said yes? You should have said no. Oh, you could have said wait for mom, Dad. Why you didn't say wait for mom? Ah. You wanna do your hand? No, just use your thing.